Hey everyone, I recently stayed at the Laylow and Autograph Collection Hotel. It's a cool, hip, funky boutique hotel in the heart of Waikiki. Let me show you a little preview and then we'll do a walkthrough. The Laylow Waikiki is everything it says it is and nothing it isn't. It's a cool, hip boutique hotel right in the heart of Waikiki. This escalator literally lifts you right up off of Kuhio Avenue into their open-aired lobby. So even though you're in the middle of it, you feel a sense of privacy, like you're off the beaten path in this way. When I shot this video, it was in the middle of the day and the dining area and the lounge on the outside was completely empty, but I can assure you at night, this is a very popular, cool place to hang out in Waikiki. The bar area is popular in the morning for breakfast and coffee, and definitely on the weekends at night. I had both breakfast and dinner here, and I'll show you some shots later on. The room we stayed in was not two queens, but two kings, which I really appreciated. It was clean, the design elements were crisp and trendy, and I really appreciated a lot of the unique features that were found throughout the room. It fit our needs absolutely perfect. The hotel did have a pool, and while it was on the small size, it was completely empty in the morning, but throughout the day and the evening, it was quite a popular spot to hang out. So besides the restaurant, the pool, and the lounge area, they did have a nice small little gym if you must, and they also had a cool gift shop. What we really liked though is every day down by the pool between 1 and 2, they made shave ice for you. So we did the passion fruit with a little drizzle on it, and it was delicious. I tried several different options for breakfast at the Hideout, from buckwheat pancakes to the yogurt with fruit selection, and they were all delicious. Cocktails and dinner were on point, including the wonton poke tacos and the Mobetta burger with Wagyu beef. Excellent. The Laylow is located right in the heart of Waikiki on Kuhio, and it's right next to the International Marketplace. In the International Marketplace are several different restaurants and several different unique shopping places. Being right in the middle of Waikiki and just a block away from the beach, this is definitely a fun, hip, cool place to hang out and to stay. I would definitely consider coming back here. Be sure to subscribe and follow, because next month I will be sharing my stay at the Luxury Collections Royal Hawaiian Hotel.